find the value of 2 pi times the square root of L over G when you're given all of these. Pi is this, L is that, G is that. So they wanted to find the value of this. It's testing to see if you can substitute. So this question is really going back to your grade 9. Can you substitute? Yes, you can. So it's going to be representing these. So let me write it first. 2 pi, and then we have the square root of L over G. 2 pi, 2 pi means 2 times pi. Pi is 3.14. 3.14. So we just do the 2 pi part. Then they're saying that this will multiply by the square root of L, which is 0.625 over G, which is 10. No biggie. All we have to do is to take our time and work out these on our calculator. So we're going to do that. 2 times 3.14 is 6.28 times the square root of this. Because when you divide this number by 10, you'll get 0.0625. Because when you divide by 10, the decimal point shift to the left. But you don't need to do that. You just have your calculators and you put it on it. 0.625. And you divide that by 10, and you'll see the point I'm making. Now, what we want to do is to carry out this final information. You can put all of this on your calculator. 6.28 times the square root of 0.0625, and you will get 1.57, and you're done. So we have a 2x plus 3 all over 3, and then we're adding this to x minus 4 all over 4. Definitely you're seeing that the denominators, they're not the same, and we're adding again. So if you're adding and the denominators are not the same, you need to find your LCM. What number can 3 and 4 go into without a remainder? The class will say 12.
12.
Yes, and then we go through that process by saying 3 into 12 goes 4 times. 3 into 12, 4 times. That number 4 will go to multiply by the thing that is on top of the 3, like that. So you could carry out the multiplication. If you notice there's a double thing up here, it's not one thing. So you're going to have to use the 4 to go with them. For example, 4 times 2x will give us 8x. 4 times 3 will give us 12. Then we're over this side. This 4 will divide into the 12. And 4 into 12, everybody will say 3. That number 3 will be used to multiply by everything that is on top, meaning it's going to go with the x and the -4. 3 times x will give you positive 3x. 3 times -4 will give you -12. So now we want to group up like terms here. There are like terms on top. For example, 8x and 3x are friends. Positive 12 and -12 are friends. So let us just finalize them. I'm just writing the step for your sake. See there? Grouping them, you would definitely see that the answer is 11x over 12 because positive 12 and -12 gone. So this is the answer.